They will show you how to automate all your templates to be working for you forever. You don't have to change them every day one by one. Like let's say all these templates, you can just open each one of them and then post each images from here. Instead, you can just put them together and get results like that, as you can see. PodBulk.com, and I will show you today how to use it. So now they have two things. They have the quick, smart O, and the complex, and I'm gonna explain it very quick. So let's say this one. As you can see, you have like one smart object, and it's very simple. You don't have shadow, you don't have lighting. This is can be work over here in smart opt because it's really fast and it's faster 4 times than this one. And this one is complex. Why it's complex? Because it has like a smart object, and it has lighting, and sometimes you can find like something that has like let's say 5, 7, 8 smart objects. So all this can be worked in complex, but this one has to be worked in Opti because you know there is only one smart object. It's easy. So how you do it? Let's say um, those are my mockups. So those are my the one that I'm gonna use. Normally I use all of them, but for this video just gonna use those three. Those are mockups for mousepad. And for the image, let's choose just for the sake of this video. So you upload your templates here, you upload the images here. If you want them all together in one folder, you keep it this way, but for me, I want them to be organized, each image in its own folder with the templates. So I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, in my situation, only in 1 minute and 6 seconds it has created the templates, but my PC is very slow, and also I'm streaming right now, so it's really gonna take longer than it's supposed to. Usually it's this I'm gonna have to take like 30 seconds or maybe less. So this is the files. So we're just gonna take them somewhere. Let's put them over here in download. As you can see, where is the file? Those are the files. So as you can see, each image it's been assigned to the template. Thank you. Hello, I will show you how to use the new PSD mockup generator complex version. So let's just explain this very quick. This is if you have like only one smart object, you don't have details, you don't have lighting, you don't have mask, you don't have anything. And this one, like if you have like a complex one. So today, okay, so let's explain it. So this one, as you can see, you don't have any mask, you don't have any lighting, you only have one smart object. So this one can go here. But if you have something like that, which you have like lightings, you have masks, you have it's really complex. So that's how that's when you know that you have to use the complex. So let's use the complex. And just before we do that, I'm gonna have to explain something. So those are the PSD that are my templates. So which is this one, and this one, and this one. And for the images, I have just downloaded something so we can do like a test with them. The things that people has to do when it comes to complex is to focus the smart object because you have too many things happening in one PSD template, and it's very dangerous that it may crack your templates or something. I mean, not the template that you have uploaded. I'm just talking about the results. And here you have to write exactly what you are naming your mockup. So in this situation, I'm naming it PodBulk. So just do PodBulk over here and assign each one in their folder. And here we go. This one, if you like have multiple smart objects and you want them all to be filled, as you can see, it's already working. It's rendering the image. It's creating everything over here. Up, so it's finished. So as you can see, you can just upload it and you will have the three files. I will just do copy and let's go over here and post the files. And as you can see, each template's been changed to that image. Isn't that beautiful? This is gonna save a lot of times. Thank you for watching.